Welcome to Hawaii. Join us for part 1 of our walking tour, exploring the stunning landscapes of Oahu and Maui. On Oahu, the iconic Diamond Head hike offers a breathtaking 360-degree view of the Pacific and Honolulu. Next, we trek through the lush Manoa Valley toward the spectacular and misty Manoa Falls. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Over on Maui, we ascend Haleakala for a moon-like volcanic experience at 10,000 feet above the clouds. I'm Eric Carey, and we're on a mission to reach a huge milestone, 1,000 subscribers. Hitting 1,000 subscribers represents our continued commitment to improve the channel and provide the best for you. Help us reach our goal by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. Your subscription also helps us know what type of content you want to see more of. It's a shared journey. The goal is in sight, and with your help, we can reach it together. Join our growing community today. I'm committed to bringing you more value and better quality as we grow this channel to new heights. Thank you for being part of this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more updates. We end part 1 at the sacred Yao Valley. Stay tuned as our journey continues in part 2. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content.